Today we're hunting Storm Surge. His appearance is a dark blue cat with blue eyes and black skin, kit large warrior-sized. His abilities are freezing screams, confirmed, changing weather, semi-confirmed, walking on water, mostly confirmed, making warnings skyrocket, found using /console, floating, semi-confirmed, rising river clan water, confirmed since the first day he was discovered. Possession, confirmed. Haunting, confirmed. Glitching game, unconfirmed. Kicking, confirmed. Bringing Shapeshifter into the server, confirmed. Bringing Mutter into the server, confirmed. Breaking Moonstone barrier, confirmed. Banning, confirmed from a few hours today. He also answers questions you can give him based on what he can do. For example, Storm Surge, if you hear, make the gorge louder. The normal text is the question. The italic is the ability. Staring at players, confirmed, not in a jump scare way, but in a way where he might watch you sometimes from far, just staring at you, then poofing. Reading team chat, confirmed. Being able to read messages before I'm sent, confirmed. If the message is being rude to him or something he doesn't like, he'll not let you send it. Bringing sync into the server, semi-confirmed. Messing with free cam, confirmed. Spawn locations, anywhere with water, not ponds. Might be able to spawn anywhere. Under the map, confirmed. Thorn, confirmed. Thunder Clan, confirmed. Wind Clan, confirmed. Shadow Clan, confirmed. And the main one. Sound cues, footsteps in the rain, gorge/waterfall when not near. Waves crashing, blue whale call, rain when not summoning, mostly confirmed.
Be dressed up as Storm Surge and be kit-sized. You only need 2 chanters for this, but if you have more, just have a ton of people be chanter 2. Be outside the River Clan leader's den and face each other, or with more than 2 people, form a circle. Have chanter 1's bio and name, he is here. Chanter 2's bio and name, he is here, but with a question. The chant goes, chanter 1, the water's rising. Chanter 2, the water's rising. Chanter 1, I see it. Chanter 2, you see it. Chanter 1, I see the blue eyes, dark fur. Chanter 2, you see the blue eyes, dark fur. Chanter 1, you better get up high. Chanter 2, I better get up high. Chanter 1, goodbye. Chanter 1 does side sleep. Chanter 2, oh no, the water's rising to my neck. The footsteps are close. I see. Ah, Storm Surge is here! Chanter 2 does side sleep. Do side sleep for 30 seconds, and then hide in the River Clan leader's den. The safety is the void box. And to rage him, do the following. Call him a big back. Call him dumb. Say, no wonder you float over water. You can't swim because you'll sink, you big back. Call him Worm Purge. Or spell his name wrong. Storm Surge gets raged really easily. He may be raged after only a couple of times calling him a big back. When he is raged, you may cover the entire cover the entire sky or just a portion of it. Relations. Assumed to be based on similarities with Mother, the mother of all NPCs, and Shapeshifter. Mother being his mother, Shapeshifter being his father, Fearless being his brother, Luna being his sister, Gasoline being a friend, and Nos being a sister. The backstory isn't really known, but Storm Surge was forced to stay with Mother. After getting banned, and you join the game, it might not load for a few minutes. And after you actually do load, the gorge will be super loud. And you might see Storm Surge. And extra notes about Storm Surge banning, sometimes he doesn't give you a ban message, but he just doesn't let you join wcue at all. He also likes to just lag you to the point of wcue being unplayable. You might get a ban message, but the thing above is likely banning. extra things. He has a weird connection to the leader's den, and he likes to cover the entrance in a possession. While he was possessing someone, he made them walk to the leader's den. And that is all the information currently known of Storm Surge. So now we're gonna summon him. He is. The water's rising, the water's rising. I see it. You see it? I see the blue eyes, the dark fur. You see the blue eyes, the dark fur. You better get up high. I better get up high. Goodbye. Oh no, the water's rising to my neck. Footsteps are close. I see. Storm Surge is here.
The kitty's not my son. 'Cause but the kitty's not my son. Because I am the one.
I'm gonna look
Kelpie,
around.
the sky is gray, the sky is gray, the sky is gray. It's raining. It's raining. It's
Sky's
raining.
cloudy. Oh snap. Ah!
Kelpie, what happened?
Time change.
You know, it's really weird. I think we summoned Storm Surge.
Yeah, the water was a little weirdly textured for a second. It might have been because I was so high up in the air, but
Kelpie, what if I go to the gorge and you go? Kelpie, we
yeah,
should run
let's.
away now. And we can change into our Morse again, Kelpie.
What if? Okay, yeah. Checkers, you're crazy.
Crazy. Kelpie,
Wrong
Autumn, I'm
button.
not crazy.
Checkers, you are crazy. Oh yeah. Oh, would you look at that? The
Crazy.
texture was weird again. What is happening to the texture of the water? That's unnatural, and it makes me scared to get in it. For reference,
Texture
why
is
is my
complete.
graphics quality all the way low? It's supposed to be all the way up, not down.
Autumn.
That explains what was happening there, I guess. Checkers?
The texture is fully gone from the water on my screen.
Yeah, it was doing that with mine, but my graphics were at automatic when they're supposed to be on manual. So that could explain what was happening there, for me at least.
My
Oh,
graphics are all the way on.
yeah. That thunder scared me.
Why?
I don't know, it startled me.
Instead of the water looking hard, the water looks slower.
It's so stormy. Yes, let's rage. Yes, let's rage it. Oh snap, laggy. Dang it, I can't use that command here. It's less of a command, but more of it's less of a command and more of a you can get emojis in Roblox on the PC if you do a certain thing. But it's not going to work, sadly, because I'm in this game and this game doesn't let it work for some reason.
Sad. Autumn.
Yeah, checkers, it's so sad. Or did you tell me to die?
Told you to die.
That's so rude.
Autumn.
Checkers. Couldn't remember your name for a second.
Autumn.
Checkers.
Autumn, I hate you.
You know what? I hate you too.
Yeah, Autumn.
Yeah. How can the sky be so bright and so stormy at the same time?
I don't
Where's the
know.
sun? Is it because the clouds are blocking the sun? That's why it's just a big ball of glow? But then there's also stars. There's stars out while the sun is also out, and there's clouds everywhere.
Kill.
This might be normal, but it never happens in my game, so. And I pay
Hey,
attention to the
Autumn.
sky. Checkers.
Autumn. I got this
Checkers.
one warning saying saying kill switch slow load never finished. Do you know what the kill switch slow load? No. Slow load finished means?
Teddy, what is happening?
I don't know, Kelpie. Just
I hate
checking.
the map.
Just checking. Just
Just
checking.
Monica.
Just checking. Just
Okay,
checking.
you know what? You do you,
Just
man.
checking. Just checking. Just checking.
You wouldn't let me hop the fence for a second.
Good. You deserve it, Autumn.
That's not nice. What are you doing?
You,
There's a
Autumn,
rabbit.
what if I just get off on purpose and decide to eat a sandwich on purpose just because I don't want to listen to your nonsense?
Hey, I do not speak nonsense.
You do speak nonsense.
It, it, it will not let me say it. Oh! We have only explored River Clan and Wind Clan, and oh, there's another rabbit. Rabbits are popular today. I'm gonna go run around Shadow Clan.
Your
There's
idea,
another
Kelpie.
rabbit!
Autumn.
Yeah,
Autumn, I
okay.
have.
Oh, and I'm my kitty pet. Let's see, anything under the map? Where's Void? Why don't I pop into Void Box, see what's in there?
Well, storm surge isn't in there.
You know, I got really scared that I was gonna pop into Void Box and get met with like a cat, but here we are. And I can't really see anything in there, so it doesn't help
Autumn, I
the
hope you get
rain.
jump scared with storm surge.
How polite. You know, I wish I could say that's unusual, but I don't actually know. I've not played this game in a few weeks, so I don't know if they updated it. But I'm about 95% sure last time I played this game, there were not colorful stars. They were just all plain white speckles. And now I see, what's that? Pink, yellow, blue, cyan.
Autumn, they're all changing colors for me.
There are what?
They're all changing colors for me. Like they're also colored, but they're changing colors. Like Christmas lights when you
Oh, they
have
are.
multicolored.
I think
Yeah. Kobe, is it happening to you too?
it is now.
Kobe?
Jeez, what was that noise? It hurt my ears.
What hurt ears, Autumn?
I don't know. It was like a static. Oh, hey, the rain stopped. Eddie.
Did you stop recording, Autumn?
No, I did not. So maybe the sound will appear in the recording.